What if media isn't just a mirror of reality, but a machine that manufactures it? Welcome to the Critical Media Theories section. Until now, you've explored mainstream media theories, models that assume communication is mostly neutral, that messages are linear, and that audiences are rational interpreters of media content. But critical theorists challenge those assumptions. They ask, who controls the media? Whose voices dominate? And how does media participate in maintaining systems of power, inequality, and ideology? Beginning in the 1930s and gaining momentum in the 1960s and beyond, scholars from a wide range of disciplines, sociology, philosophy, cultural studies, feminism, and post-colonial theory, began to view media not just as a set of technologies, but as a political, economic, and cultural force. These scholars were not only concerned with what media says, but with what it hides. In this section, you'll study the thinkers who brought us concepts like the culture industry, ideological state apparatuses, the public sphere, encoding and decoding, and symbolic annihilation. You'll explore the Frankfurt School's critique of mass culture and capitalism. You'll engage with Stuart Hall's theories of representation and power. You'll investigate feminist media theory, post-colonial critique, and the role of race and gender in news, advertising, and entertainment. You'll also begin to ask new questions for the digital age. Are algorithms reinforcing old power structures? Is fake news a bug, or a feature? How do platforms monetize your identity and attention? This is not just theory for the sake of theory. These frameworks will help you read between the lines of everyday communication. By the end of this section, you'll be able to interrogate media messages, question dominant narratives, and analyze the systems that produce and circulate meaning. Because critical media theory is not only about understanding communication, it's about changing how we experience it. Let's begin. Let's question the frame. Let's challenge the story.